Hi guys, we'll be starting with module 2 from this lecture. By now you have a good understanding about this software, the basic commands, shortcuts and the menus. In this module we'll be talking about basic tools, drawing tools and some of the uh, modified tools which will be useful for making the models. So first you need to set up the units. Meters and 2 decimal place. Then the drawing which need to be done should be in the level 1, which is the floor plan. We need to always start drawing in the floor plan. So we'll click on the wall, and then we have different types of wall available here with different thicknesses. So we'll keep it 200 mm, and where there are many modification of the wall available here, so we'll not go with that. We'll keep the properties as it is. Now we'll draw the wall. Click and just drag to create the wall. So if you need 3 mm length of the wall, so you just need to type 3 meters here. You'll get 3 meters wide. And then again, if I need 7 meters here, and then 3 meters again, and just draw. So this is how you may use the wall command here. And then if you need to change the dimension, just click on the wall here, we'll get the dimension. So so if I need to make it 3.5 here, make it 3.5 meter. So these two are connected, so both the dimension changes. If I need to change this dimension, so I'll be placing a door now. I'll be using this door, single flush. The dimension, we can change the dimension any time with the edit type option, but now we'll keep the dimension as it. We'll go with any one of these and then just place here. You can change the direction, like if you want the door to open inside, so you need to keep the arrow just above the wall, and if you need to open in the outward direction, then you need to bring the arrow down the wall. And if you need to change the direction, just press spacebar, so you can change the direction of the door opening. I'll go with this here. So this is how to place a door, and same way you can place windows as well. Place this window here, again the same thing, just click and place. So this is how it looks in the plan. If you need to see the elevation, you click on any elevation here, you can see it here. So the this is not very clear, like, because it's we can see it in the other view. You can see the door opening here and the window opening here, same way here. If you need to see this in the 3D view, you can go to 3D view here, view 3D. You can see the door opening here. Just you can see. If you need to pan, just press your scroll button and just pan through the document. And if you need to rotate also, then you can use this to rotate, pivot. We'll go to the plan view only. So this is about it for the elements to add, the basic element.